and Mary here of the Knott Network. We're actually doing our intro at the end of the day because we forgot about it. We got too excited when we got here.
Yes.
Before we get into Soak City, we want to give a huge shout out to our Patreon supporters. SoCal Fun Seekers, CDR Far Site, and Starport 55.
Woo! This is a brand new surf and snack shack by the entrance of the park. Look at these walls.
They might have added more retail inside too. What's that one song?
Look at these Knott's Berry Farm towels, 2 for $40. So yeah, here's the walls from the inside point of view of the store. Oh, look it! That makes sense. The walls, they act as shoe racks. Oh, that's smart. For more sandals. Knott's flip-flops.
Ooh, look at this guy right here. This is nice. I don't know if that was here last year. This looks kind of new too, but you know what? Honestly, it could have been here last year. Totally getting an icy later. Even though it's overcasty, the sun, I could feel the heat coming through there, the rays. Better get some sunscreen on. Okay, I just checked the water. It's a little chilly. A little chilly. It's all good. Hopefully the sun pops out later. We'll see. It's like deja vu. Last season it was like this too. Oh.
Hey!
Hello.
How can we help you?
Just taking a look-see first.
No worries. Let me know if you have
I'll
any
probably
questions.
be by later after some food's in me at least.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Awesome. All right, we're gonna head to our cabana.
A few moments later.
Yeah, you guys ready to go?
Yeah!
Do it. Was it ready? Let's go. It's cold. Of course it's like that.
Alrighty. I don't know if it's recording, but we just got off a slide.
Yes.
Now we're gonna go get some food at Longboards. I'm gonna flip the camera so you can see what it looks like in the front. I want to take a picture of the thingy, but that's where we're going to get some lunch. Look at all these different flavors. I like cherry, Coca-Cola, strawberry, and boysenberry. Mary is getting a Coke icy for her mother. In we go. Ooh, scallion rings and chicken and fish and chips. Yum. So we're at our cabana and look at this. The inner tubes are now purple. The rental tubes are purple. They match the Knott's boysenberry purple color. We got our cabana at Shore Break. It's way over here next to this loudspeaker. That's good though, I like music. And then Mary wants to talk about the napkins. The napkins. If y'all have watched the last vlog, Mary loves the napkins. She thinks that's the best. 360 load of us going in the lazy river now, y'all. We're heading to the lazy river.
And it's so nice, our cabana's literally right there. We leave our shoes at the cabana.
Yes. That's why we requested the one at the edge. Let's go in.
The thing is, guys, when you went to the cabana on a crowded, busy day, like in the middle of summer, you're guaranteed these views.
Yes, you get at least 4 of them with per cabana. right, guys. We are out
We are out.
of the lazy river. We're gonna go get some adult beverage, maybe.
Oh, adult.
Maybe. We'll see what's over there. I saw this thing earlier. I'm gonna check it out. Check it out, guys. We got a, it's called Beatbox Blue Raspberry Slushy. It's got 11% alcohol in it. We are hanging out in the Cabana now. The park isn't open that late today. It's only the first weekend, so it's open till 5 o'clock. Anyways, check out the menu. Again, the meal plans are not valid at the Cabana, so you have to, I mean, there's nothing wrong with you going to get your own food though and bringing it back. They're cool with that. And then here we go with everything else. Lots of stuff. There's all these prices. They serve liquor too. That's nice. We have about an hour before the park closing. That's how long the food service. 11 a.m. to 1 hour before the park closing. Cool. Okay, we are back at their gift shop, looking around at stuff. Flip, please.
Ooh, look at this. Not so silly.
Here's the.
It's
yes.
This is the surf stuff.
Oh, this
it's
is
the SPF 50 shirt.
Oh yeah, that means you could wear these in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is all swimwear.
And
Yeah, there's a lot of swimwear in case you guys come here and you forget your gear. You forget all your stuff. They even floaties too for the little ones by Speedo.
It's a
What is that
baby. It's a baby.
Ooh. Angry shark, happy shark. Angry shark, happy shark. Look at this Snoopy though. This is great. I've never seen a Snoopy dressed up for summer.
People with these around the park, they say Soap City on them. And you can take your phone in them.
Yes. It's so you can bring your phone out on the lazy river and stuff
Yeah.
like that. And wave pool and whatnot.
Oh, that's very fun.
Ooh.
It's in the Soap City.
Oh, that's
This is
cool.
really cool. The Soap
That's
City
cool.
one.
So yeah, you guys, they added all these like, I don't know, I'd say they're about 5 feet, 6 feet tall walls, half walls. For you that play Sims, you'll know what I mean by saying half walls. They've added half walls in here. And it's got sandals, water shoes. There's tons of Soap
I
City
really
wear.
like this. This tie-dye
Tank tops.
with the lavender.
That says not Soap City. I know, I was thinking about getting a tank top.
How much?
They're about 25. That's the prices.
Very cute.
For like the tank tops at least. I don't know about that one thing you're looking at. They have dolphin shorts too, right? Once bitten, twice shy. Yeah, this must be all the Knott's merch.
Hey guys, there's something I've been wanting to make a video about, but a little preview on that. So, haunt season every year is getting hotter and hotter and hotter, and I'm thinking about just bringing one of these to like opening night of HHN.
Yeah, no
you know
kidding.
what I mean? You know
No
what I mean?
kidding. Here's some umbrellas. Big ones, 6-footers. Dang, those are big ones. They got some nice Oakleys here. Panama Jack sunscreen. I particularly like the lotion kind more. USA bikini. Yeah, so if y'all forget your swimsuits, look, Roxy stuff. And then they still have the big squirt.
What? Get him soaked!
Get them soaked. Yeah, they have Coors. Oh, they have frozen margaritas are over here. Man! Aww. I would have much rather had a margarita. I'm thinking of Fiesta Village. So yes, the day is nice. The sun's nice and warm. It was a lot cloudy earlier, but it's come out nice. The water is not so warm yet. The season, this is literally just the first weekend, so. Here's the Storm Watch. 3 different tube slides. And you can ride doubles in them or singles. Yeah, we love these kind of slides because Mary and I can ride together.
Yeah.
Those are fun. Look at this right here, you guys. Frozen lemonade and Minute Maid. It's the SS Minute Maid.
There's strawberry lemonade and lemon.
Strawberry lemonade, that's my favorite. That's so good.
I know. I really love the theming and the aesthetics of it. It's so
I know,
cute.
all the bars that got a little cute theme going on to them. This is a nice little grassy patch that you guys can hang out in if you like doing it picnic style. These ones are fun. We always have a hoot of a time together on them. The slide on the left is the one we go on all the time. Yeah, our first time on these slides, actually, we went by ourselves because you could do doubles or singles. And Mary went on the bunny hop one, and I had to go on the one that just drops straight down. I was like, ah! Look at ride buttons, ride shutoffs, emergency shutoffs. All right, cool. So this slide up here, those slides are those drop floor ones. I haven't gone on these ones yet because, again, I want it to be warm. We'll come back when it's warmer and get everything. Like, the best tip I can give you guys is get here very, very early, especially if you got a cabana.
Oh, especially. Yeah.
Because the line gets very backed up if you saw earlier, and you might not, yeah, it's first come first serve on picking which cabana. We picked, honestly, I like the one way over in that corner. I'd try to get that one again if we were gonna get cabanas over here next time.
Yeah.
We'll probably try to get that, snag that one again. I know it's too cool to be in the shade, but I want to take a picture of this right here. It's nice. These are some of our favorite pairs of slides right here.
I like the open air one.
Well, one of them's completely open, that blue one. The green one does, it's a hybrid. It does both tube and then I kind of like that one because it's half and half. So that's what makes it fun. These are fun slides. So this area used to be where they would do private parties and stuff like that, corporate events. Now it looks like it's just an extended area for more guests.
Yeah.
This place can get pretty crazy during the peak summer times. Back at the cabana. What time is it now?
Oh, it's 4:50.
So we only have 10 minutes left.
We hope you and your friends enjoyed a happy and memorable day here at Knott Soak City, the coolest spot in town. And we hope that you'll return again very soon. Thank you.
All right, everyone, that's going to do it for our first trip to Soak City this season.
Yes.
We're hoping to come back, when it gets a little warmer and if the hours are a little longer. This is just opening weekend, so it's not open as long until, I believe, they start doing that next weekend,
Yes.
maybe? Yeah. See you guys next video. Thanks so much for
you.
tuning in.
Bye.